Hey guys, good morning. Alien Nick here. Listen, I want to give you a quick Raiders update. What's going on right now is that what Jedi Rich and Jedi Joy have been saying was correct. The stadium was delayed. It was obvious. They didn't work for a whole week in February, and then the crane didn't move for a month in May. How could it not be delayed? So that's why they're working overtime now. Great, throw more money at it, no problem. $750 million from taxpayer money. We're adding another $40 million on it. That's great. Issue we have today, I wanted to point this out to you. So here's what it was in the review journal, what it says, with the $40 million overage. Now, Las Vegas gets 20 new seats.
That's how they reported that the stadium was going to require $40 million extra dollars, taxpayer money, or PSLs. It's confusing because Rick Velotta wrote on March 23rd
that the PSLs, no money from the PSLs can go to anywhere but the team. That's how it was stated in the contract. But now,
Nick over here says that the $40 million is they're going to look to come from the PSLs. Well, I guess we're going to have to ask Mark Davis for that, see if he'll give that up. Because according to Rick Velotta on the 23rd, that can't happen. Anyways, so read here. It says what it says. So that's the issue we kind of have. So that's what we're contending with. So they denied that the trusses were upside down. They denied that there was delays. Now they're costing $40 million. That's real. Now, if you believe them that the $40 million, okay. So now you're saying, well, hey man, we wanted 20 extra seats. It's written right there. That's all we wanted, man. Look, can't you see what's going on, man? Huh? Can you see that? Huh? Well, it says that they came up with the plan 3 months ago for the 20 seats. So riddle me this. So 3 months along the way, okay, and they're sitting there and they're scratching their head, and they suddenly decided they needed 20 more seats for $40 million when they're already running behind.
yeah, that's what Mick's trying to sell you on.
Now, what I'm suggesting is that they're behind, and it cost them $40 million. That's why they're working overtime. End of story. And then they had to redesign it because they put the roof trusses on upside down, and they had the engineers figure out the most cost-effective, fastest way to fix the problem without telling the public.
And that's what they came up with, was somehow redesigning and adding 20 extra seats and costing $40 million extra.
So, also, if you guys are wondering why the stadium is over there by Mandalay Bay, this is where it gets very, very interesting. And I got another source revealing me on this one now.
Tell you more of that as I get more information, but what happened was, the reason why the stadium is not where it should be, it's way the heck over there where in nowhere land, okay, by Mandalay Bay, where 700 people got shot from a window from Mandalay Bay. It's like the worst place you could, I mean, why would you put it there right after a shooting? That makes no sense. Anyways, that's beside the point. But he said the reason why they chose that was because Harry Reid owned the property. Did you hear that? Someone do some research. Did Harry Reid used to own the property that Raiders Stadium bought? And he forced him to buy it. It was a deal between him and Sisolak or something. Those two guys got together and made Harry Reid a bunch of fucking money. Oh, excuse me. Are we allowed to say that on YouTube? Okay, I gotta go. Alien Nick out. Hey guys, thanks for all your support of the Jedi Joy Rich Show. Be nice to Jedi Joy. She's a veteran. And I don't care what you say, Jedi Rich. She's kind of Jedi Rich. Okay, have a good one.
Little do you know you're gonna hear this one. Sun's shining. Yo.
I don't hate players. I don't love the game. I'm a shot clock way above the game.
To be point blank with the motherfucking game.
Got all this work on me. I ain't come for play.
You can show the little shorties how you pump and fake the dog.
Not to death. I'm not impressed. I'm not amused. I'm not confused.
I'm not to do. I'm a grown man business. I'm not in school. Put your hand down, youngin'. This is not for you.
On my J.O., my beats with the Kanye, yo.
My name on the marquee, your name off the payroll.
Style fresh like I feel like a day off.
Been like that since the day, yo.
On more time than a Rolex or Seiko.
Step on deck, your neck, or do what I say so.
Get up or get out, get down or lay low. You're standing in the shadow of a fabulous man.
Brooklyn, I am like Dante. That dude, black people,
white people, let's move. Shout out to my man Khalid Kweli, we on top. Shout out, check it out, yo. than a nigga.
To cast a big shadow. Cherokee red to shoot the long arrow. Got more skill, more aim, and more ammo. You can get it all from a big or small barrel like Hail Mary, full of grace.
Niggas come and shoot up the place and make you pull up your face. The deck.
I pull out the ace from the jungles of the Empire State where there ain't no escape.
247-718,
and that's like every night, every day. From the place that I settle and the place that I stay to the states where I'm collecting my pay.
Blast off when I'm back to the cave.
Hold it down for my family straight.
Represent in a family way.
Pro ball, not for amateur play. Being raw since the amateur stage before the press had the cameras raised.
Like a long time man of the way, you understanding me straight.
Yeah, no doubt.
Excellence. And that's what it is, you see.
Cause it is deeper, sweeter, richer, crisper, stronger reception, sharper picture. Revolve around God and involve
with niggas.
these elements. I perform my scripture. I make Jedi rich, a classic modern figure.
It don't matter if you holler or whisper.
Coming through clear cause I'm right here with ya.
Ain't gotta edit the slang, I gotta make it yo. Brothers and sisters, fathers and mothers, the lovers, the leavers, the doubters, believers, the stayers, the quitters, the bitches, the niggas.
The niggas, the rebels, the realers, the getters, the getters. You all gonna feel it from the first to the million.
Extraordinary and plain. Walk 1,000 paces, I'm right ahead of the game. By the time you get to where I'm standing,
I'll be gone. Y'all make news, but I just move on. And I move in. Y'all must move along. Cause I move too strong. I know what my feet move for. Made it go without a brand new car. Made it fresh without a brand new song. I can give a fuck what kind of brand you are.
I'm more concerned what kind of man you are. What your principles and standards are. You understand me, y'all?
Cause everybody needs family, y'all.
No matter where your families are.
Cause everybody needs family, y'all.
Raise a hand if you understand me, y'all. Everybody needs family, y'all.
Be good to your families, dog. Understand no matter where your families are. Everybody needs family, dog. Raise your hand, you understand me, Paul. That's what it is, my man. My family, my pencil Pete, my man too. All the loved one behind the walls. Daniel D. Nye, Gregory Hedges, Masada Malata, Sundala, Magic Mel. Life is real to all the real soldiers, to all the white people, to all the black people.